Hey guys, Tim Stewart here at Sunset Ford talking to you today about this Black Widow edition from SCA. Customized truck here. It's what we do best here at Sunset Ford. Just want to give you a couple minutes here, talk about it, give you some ideas on what they do to this truck. So, this is our first of the Black Widow F-150s that we've gotten in stock. Very popular overall build from SCA that's been around for a long time. Been around since 1979. Based out of Trussville, Alabama. Some people might know them as Southern Comfort, now they go by SCA Performance. On the front of the truck, everything's black. This is, the standard F-150 XLT package, but they painted the grill bar black to match everything else. On the hood, you've got a custom fabricated hood from SCA with a functional hood scoop on it. Down the side of the truck, you've got the black painted fender flares on it. They even painted the bolts black to keep everything black on this truck. These beautiful 22-inch wheels on here that are the Black Widow wheels. They're custom for Black Widows. And then you've got the 22-inch Toyo Open Country tires on it. Give you a nice aggressive off-road look to go with this 6-inch level on it. It is an SCA lift on it. They do everything themselves in-house, so it's an SCA lift, 6 inches, so 6 in front, 4 in back to give you a nice level look on the vehicle as well. Down the side of the truck, you've got the Black Widow emblem on the side of it. Make it easier to get up into this big old truck though. You do have custom drop-down running boards. Gonna bring it down nice and low for you so you can get inside. You'll have to take my word on this part here. You've got a spider that's gonna project down onto the ground. It's a puddle lamp. It's got the spider on it with the Black Widow. Being a daylight video though, it's gonna be kind of tough for you to see that. Working our way down the side of the truck, standard F-150 garb on here. You've got the custom, or you got the keyless entry code right there on the side. Everything black on the side of the truck though. Everything's painted out. Back side of it, you've still got the big fender flares on it as well. These are all custom in-house done. They painted black, mounted to the side with the black bolts on it. Again, the big 22-inch wheels with the 22-inch Toyo Open Country tires on it. Back here and back, this truck sits up about 4 inches higher than a standard F-150, so you want to be able to get into the bed. It's got the step for the access to the bed. It's got the spray-in bed liner. Hop up here and back. You've got the SCA Performance logo on the back here. Gives you their website, so when your friends see their truck, they can go out and get their own. See the top of the roof up here? You do have 70% of the roof covered by glass with that moonroof there. Inside the bed, you do have the standard F-150 things, like the LED lighting, the remote access to lock and unlock the bed of the truck. So you'll be able to access the bed of the truck that way. The step is nice and easy to work. We just push that there, slide it back in, put the step up, and a nice light tailgate. Come on in to see Tim Stewart here at Sunset Ford for all your custom truck needs. 314-467-1124 or 314-410-5743. SunsetFord.com for all your custom trucks.